The Volkswagen Polo V, produced from 2009 to 2017, comes equipped with either a manual or automatic DSG transmission. This section focuses on safely engaging reverse in both systems. To provide context, here's a look at the Polo's evolution from 1975 to 2024, showing how the model has developed over time. At the core of reverse gear mechanics is a system that reverses the direction of wheel rotation. This cutaway view shows the internal transmission components. This schematic illustrates the reverse gear mechanism, where power flows through gears to reverse the output shaft direction. When engaging reverse, the gear stick is moved to the R position. Here's a simple diagram showing gear positions. Proper technique when engaging reverse is crucial to avoid accidents, emphasizing safety checks and careful operation. For manual transmission models in the Volkswagen Polo V, follow these steps to safely engage reverse gear. First, ensure the vehicle is completely stationary before attempting to shift gears. Next, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot. This disconnects the engine from the transmission. Locate the reverse gear position on your gear shift pattern. In the Polo V, it's typically up and to the right from neutral. Gently move the gear lever into the reverse position, applying steady pressure. Slowly release the clutch pedal while gently pressing the accelerator to begin moving backward. Always check your mirrors, blind spots, and surroundings before and while reversing to ensure safety. For automatic DSG models, start by bringing the vehicle to a complete stop. Ensure the handbrake is off, as the gear won't engage otherwise. Next, shift the lever to R for reverse. The DSG transmission will confirm with an audible beep. As with manual transmission, always check your mirrors, blind spots, and any rear sensors before reversing. Keep your foot gently on the brake. Regardless of transmission type, before you even think about moving, thoroughly check all mirrors and blind spots. If equipped, use your rear sensors. Ensure there are no pedestrians, cyclists, or obstacles behind you. Reversing at low speeds under 10 km/h is safest. Safe parking practices involve proper technique for different parking types and essential safety steps to prevent accidents. For parallel parking, position your vehicle alongside the space, then reverse while turning the wheel to align properly. Perpendicular parking requires driving straight into the space or backing in, depending on the layout. Once in position, fully engage the handbrake for manual transmissions. For automatic transmissions, shift to park mode to secure the vehicle. Double-check the R indicator on your dashboard to confirm reverse gear is engaged before moving. Proper parking prevents rollaway accidents by ensuring the vehicle is securely stopped. Follow this safety checklist. Proper positioning, secure the vehicle, confirm reverse gear, and check surroundings. Common mistakes when engaging reverse gear can lead to accidents. For manual transmission, avoid releasing the clutch too quickly, as this can cause the engine to stall or the car to lurch. Never attempt to shift into reverse while the vehicle is still moving. For automatic transmission, ensure the vehicle is completely stopped before shifting into reverse. Attempting to shift while moving can damage the transmission. For both transmission types, never rely solely on sensors or cameras. Always visually check your mirrors, blind spots, and surroundings. A 2025 survey in Germany found that many accidents occurred when drivers incorrectly engaged reverse without properly checking traffic. While base Polo V models lack advanced reversing technology, aftermarket options can enhance safety. Consider retrofitting a reverse camera system, which provides visual feedback of the area behind your vehicle. Volkswagen's CarNet app also offers smartphone-guided reversing assistance. These retrofits significantly improve driver awareness and can reduce reversing incidents by up to 40%, according to NHTSA statistics. The automotive industry is trending towards autonomous parking systems, with over 40% of new cars featuring automated reverse parking by 2026. Newer Polo models feature AI-assisted reversing, integrating smartphone-guided features through apps like Volkswagen's CarNet. Future cars will likely include camera-based reverse assist and mandatory collision avoidance systems, predicting a 50% decline in reverse mishaps by 2030. Embracing these innovations can dramatically improve safety, potentially phasing out purely manual reverse methods in older cars like the Polo V.